MPT, go over this, car. Come on, like, nah, understand what I'm going. Listen to the music and get out your fucking feelings. This shit is fucking great.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Let's talk about Vybz Kartel album. This is my honest review. Who don't like it, you can cut and go through. Cool.
A few moments later.
Cool? Let's get into it. So, this is the album art. Cool? It said, God on Time. I would give this a 8 out of 10. Reason?
2,000 years later.
Honestly, I am disappointed because I expected this album was gonna give an emotional, motivational, and an uplifting thing. It's not giving nothing. It's just giving pure ego. A song.
1 eternity later.
I would give it a 5.5 out of 10. You could have come better than this.
Damn! May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
People who are going, they don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. Yeah, man. You know things said, people. You see me? So look here now. I'm going to tell you about the album thing, because you see, Vybz Kartel is a non-conceptual artist. See, he's an artist where, you see, when it comes to album, him don't know how to put it together for it become a story. You see me? Alkaline is a real musician. Him music them. Yo, him know how to bring forward the album. That's a year them always talk about like 2016 and New Level Unlock album and all of them things. When it comes to Alkaline, people know say, yo, the album talk different with him. You understand? But Vybz Kartel, him is just not that person. People are go in them feelings and things, but it's just fact. Vybz Kartel released 18 albums. For him whole entire career. 18. A lot of people don't know. 18 him do. You understand? But if you ask them right now, out of the 18, where them can say put together, them don't know what you mean by put together. The album have to have like a storyline. You understand? But this video, I got break down Alkaline, NPT album, and Vybz Kartel. You see me? Vybz Kartel album when dropped recently, it don't have no story. It's just a true song, like him just true song. That's why he's a brother where him talented, but him just put music out there. Him do the same thing, you know, with the album them. Him just put on song, him no business, but the storyline not there. You see me? And it make a lot of people love dancehall, them not really pick no side, but it make a lot of them kind of disappointed night because them have high expectation of him. You understand? But look how the story with the two albums, so God and Time and NPT. You see me? And the thing is that a lot of people are talking about numbers and bag of thing. Most definitely, Vybz Kartel, I got the numbers. Alright, if him do numbers over what Alkaline do, it don't even surprise because Alkaline did like 3 days. Him don't do a full week. From Monday to Thursday. You understand? Thursday are the cut-off day. Kartel do it from Friday to the next Thursday. And him get a full week. So, him get more streaming time and whatsoever. You see me? But the thing we're talking about here is the quality of the album, the story of the album. So look here now. The brother here go break down the how the album, the story of the album and make you understand. You see me? So here we go on.
MPT, go over this, guy. Come on, like, nah, understand what I'm going. Different story. You see me? Man, tell him how I'm family proud of him and thing. Tell him I look about him life. I want to go on this. You see me? Sacrifice. And tell him the sacrifices he had to make, including the people, the relationships that he had to sacrifice.
So people, look on the checklist. You see me? Look on the checklist while him say in words. You see me?
Sacrifice. Body. You see when I move on my good youth, but I'm still body. I'm still not care off the ground. You see me? When graduate from certain things him can't fuck with. You see me? That graduate means certain people him graduate from, certain situations, certain meds graduate from. You see me? No emotion. You have to learn how to detach yourself and be logical and put your emotion to the side because emotions change, you see me? Feelings change, you see me? Then dog have to come around and say, yo, him have the key, him have a key for him one thing, him cut him one lane, him cut him one way, him not understand, him not listen. You see me? Then the dog goes to boom and say, as a matter of fact, pussy. You see me? I do this a different way. As a matter of fact, me raise the fucking bar. You see me? So I'm gonna blast now. I'm alright different. Make a girl like get wet tool and me I root them in. Your girl turn good girl for me, cause made a masterpiece, you see me? Cause I feel well. Better way. Yo, hear me man. Listen to the music and get out your fucking feelings. This shit is fucking great.
You see what I talk about? You saw the brother explain, like, lay out the album like it's a story I read just by the title. You understand? The title of the track them, the man tell her the storyline. Different stories, sacrifice, bad, graduate, no emotions, key man. As a matter of fact, him raise the bar, then the gunner blast. You understand? Ara, wet hole, rope in. You know, girl, you understand him explain it to you. This is a good storyline, and if you listen to songs them, you see, a lot of people in dancehall, they don't listen to music. Them run with the hype and trending, and that's the problem, you know. We not listen. It's like we are listening for some catchy thing, we are listening for that. You understand? But we not listen to music and listen to story when it comes to an album. You see me? Nowadays, when them listen to a reggae artist already, them will say, yeah, true a reggae artist. But them just not listen to story. Them not listen music. That's the problem. Them not listen for understand. You see it? People will sit down and meds music and listen to music, then you will understand. You see it? Them say a lot of things, but it's so easy that brother ya break down and make you understand the story of the album. You see me? That me I try to tell you. But we're gonna play a next clip and make you hear what go on with God and Time. You see me?
Talk about.
Alright, so she go break down God and Time. But you don't know say from 1 to 14. So when you see the track list in the right corner, you see me? So just look what go on, people. Hear what she say. You see me?
Vybz Kartel album. This is my honest review. Who don't like it, you can cut and go through. Cool? Let's get into it. So this is the album art. Cool? It said God and Time. I would give this a 8 out of 10. Reason being, it's given a story. He's about to tell us what he has overcome.
Alright. You see, it's not every Gaza fans. Sometimes when I hear some of the Gaza fans them talk, I can understand based on them emotions and how them react. Because you see, when it comes to Vybz Kartel and music, them don't really care about that. Them only care about the hype of Vybz Kartel forward with. You understand? Them just listen music for just listen. But them not understand. You see me? Because a lot of people will know album and know album put together and what people are expectation. Remember, you know, this is a strong name of an album, you know. God and Time. You understand? God and Time. So a lot of people have high expectation where you're going to say, yo, what happened? Your life story and all of these things. This is a good title for your album, you know. God and Time. But you see, when it comes to putting the story with the album, it's a total different thing. So she'll go tell you what I go on. You see me?
That's what I get. Title said God and Time. Get into the first track, the open track, God and Time. I would give that a 8 out of 10. It's giving the detail of the album art. Cool. Second track, third track, fourth track, sixth track, seventh track.
You disappointed me. You disappointed me.
Disappointment. Why are you telling me about love? The album art is giving God and Time. Basically, what you're telling me is that God help you through time. Why are you talking about love? Then on top of it, track 3 was literally low. Lower than all of the tracks on the.
So basically she attack some days. You understand? And yo, you see, more while, you see, because enough of them not there for the music, it's a waste of time to even like reply to these people. Some of these Gaza fans, seeing, and not every Gaza fans to you, so. But you see some of them, you see sometimes when you talk the facts and talk the truth, the only strength where them have, after just back and forth with people and back and bring down and all of these things, rather than just listen and understand. You see me? Vybz Kartel is a great artist. We can't go take that from him. But you see, when you forward to music and selections and do certain albums, them not understand how the storyline go with the albums. You understand? And this is why when it comes to albums, in like the 18 album when him do, him not to perform. Like, it not do well. You see me? I just that. Because him not keep up with the storyline. especially when it comes to the title. You understand? He's a brother who just throwing music, him just throwing songs. Him not, you see me? But when you listen album, you listen for your storyline, good album, every little thing. You can't, remember, this is not some other name like album name. Alright, Round the Road or Freedom or why, A God and Time, the album name, is a powerful word. You just call, God and Time. So everybody I look for that. Godly, something godly. That is the problem about this album, You see me, but you gotta tell you.
Album, honestly. Because then I wonder myself, why the tracks are low? Very low. So you never recheck before you post, before you put it up. 5, 8, 9, and 12, dancing song. 10, 11, and 13, about hype life and shading people.
I be so triggered and confused. And the audacities.
Where is the reflection? Where is the story? 13 years of being in prison. And this is what you gave to your fans? The only song then will make sense from the album, will match the cover art, is God and Time, Watch Over Me. Open and close song.
Ah, boy. These are the things we talk about. These are the things we talk about. You see, sometimes you have to just love people, to be honest. So, the God and Time album, see? Look at now, The start and the finish track is the only, imagine the starter. So it's like, in the house, see, in the house, now have nothing for do. It's like the church. The church say, God and Time outside of the church. And when you go in the church, a dance hall, girl a skin out, man a fling girl over there, so all of them thing there. I saw the album stay. So God and Time, they on the front out of the entrance. When you go in at the church, a dance hall in there. That's how she explained the album. You see me? Yeah. And then when you go through the back door of the church now, you look up, you see say, yo, thank you Lord, watch over me. That's how the album set up. It don't have the storyline. You see me? So it does show you say, the man just flinging some songs. You understand? Him just flinging some songs. And to be honest, alright. To be honest, Alkaline album, him alone do it. Do you see me? Him alone do it. So Vice Cartel have like 6 collaborations. When me see say him and Spice get a collaboration on the album, I know say this not go with God and Time. We know the history of Spice and Vibes Cartel when it comes to songs. If I know Love, Ramping Shop, this Ray, we know that. Skilly Bang, we know we are going here. Kill them on the fire. You know Skilly Bang, lyricist and a bag of thing. Seeing? Skilly Bang and Ray. The Spanish song, seeing? We don't know because the Spanish song is just the Spanish artist take over everything. You understand? Him and Movado, them a do them thing. Him a talk about house and car and it's more, as she says, more like a brag thing on us. You see me? It not really have nothing to do with the God and Time. You see it? But as I say, people, it's a do or don't. The album, it just not connect. You see me? It's all over the place. You see it?
Let's be real. What kind of story you tell me? What album is literally a story, is a book, a book. I was looking forward to hear felt when your ears say you get 30 years. I was looking forward to hear how you felt when you bust the case. How you deal with prison life. I was waiting to hear when you bust the case or you felt coming home and seeing family, linking up with your woman, seeing your mother, seeing your father. A track supposed to have your mother voice in it. One track supposed to have your father. One track supposed to have you, a DJ with your kids them are playing at the background. Your album supposed to be a family welcome home album. God and Time. God help you through time. It take you 13 years and this is what You gave the people them. You're not rolling no real meds. You're blinded by the materialistic life that you are disappointing God. You promise God something and you're not delivering. You come back out and get blinded by the same shit that put you there. Not really, but the materialistic lifestyle, the ego. Honestly, I am disappointed because I expected this album was going to give an emotional, motivational, and an uplifting thing.
And you know what the worst thing? You see that girl there? She rate Vice Cartel, you know, it's just the expectation. She just love dancehall. And when she hear the goddamn time, them a look. Cause this is the thing, you know, Vice Cartel release a lot of albums when him come from prison. Right? That's how it's like, for sure, yo. The man just, when it comes to album, he's just not that guy. The man, I think last year, the Heart and Soul album, right? The Grammy people, them like, I guess, some Grammy member link him or whatever and say, yo, them want an album for put in for the Grammy. The man say him take 2 hours, people, and put together something and give the woman 2 hours. You understand? And when I look on that and I say, you're not serious, brother. You're not take, you see me? But it got nominated. You know why? Because the links. If Grammy did actually say, yo, kind of list, that's why it don't win the Grammy. Because the Grammy don't see the storyline of it. You understand? If Grammy for see this and see God and Time and listen to the song them, see him like how that girl there, I react to the album, I saw Grammy I go see it. Grammy deal with the quality of it there, although we know the politics, but it have to have the quality as well. You see me? It have to connect. You see it? So, I don't know. Cartel a dim thing, and when you talk these things, you know, you see me? Either them say, yo, Shaggy attack, yo, your bad mind, yo, stop fight the man, stop rate. It's like nobody know. Them more for say anything about any other dancehall artist, but when it comes to Vice Cartel, nobody know for say none. Him not for get no criticize or nothing based on him work or whatsoever. Him for just do it and nobody know for say none. You understand? For sure you say, yo, them not really care about the music. Them just care about Cartel, like life, private life and all of these things. The hype around it, all of them. Them more talk and prep up whatever vanity him have or where him do, like buy house, buy Rose Rice. Them thing there, them not really care about the music. And that is why them bring down a lot of dancehall artists. You understand? Because it's not about the music, it's about if the artist them rich and can do a Cartel or do or whatsoever. Those are the things. But all are we there for the music, because if Vice Cartel never had the music, we wouldn't even talk about him right now. You understand? I just say things it.
It's not giving nothing. It's just giving pure ego. A song that we make regular every day. The only thing that makes sense are with the Spanish guy. It's unprofessional. Anyways, I will give it a 5.5 out of 10. You could have come better than this. 13 years? This will come give it 13 years. And you figure where you promised God already? Alright. That's my opinion, guys.
People, I just say things it, you know. You see me? I just say things it. You see me? Them still go run with it. Fine. Them fans them do what them want, do say what them want say. You see me? Because as me say, them not really there for the music. You see me? Them more there for the controversy and the hype and the clout. You see me? Music is not their main priority. You see me? Yeah. I just one of them things. They just like talk, get personal with the artist and a bag of thing. You see me? So them type of people you know back and forth with them. Because at the end of the day, you there for music. You see me? And music you deal with. So them not deal music. You see me? So you go waste your time back. Them might just get emotionally loud and a bag of thing, and you gotta waste your time. Is it? But when it comes to breaking down stuff and intelligence and all of these things, them they are the thing them where, you know, some of them kind of lack of it. So you don't know, say, yo, if you have a barrel and the barrel empty and you drop something in there, it'll go echo. So some of them brains stay. You understand? Because them not mature enough for us listener understand. You see me? Yeah, then them just react. You see me? React in a way where, like say, the person that them familiar You know? I just want them things people. But as me say, fans are fans. You see me? But sometimes you have to just listen and understand. Yeah. And put the feelings aside. You see me? Yeah, but people, big up on yourself and I don't know 1 media fax pan up, you know. Yeah, man. That is it.